top headlines for the day.
Whoa! Kabir Khan has this to say about Shah Rukh's role in Salman's upcoming Tube Light. So didn't you enjoy watching Shah Rukh in his cute cameo in Karan Johar's Ae Dil Hai Mushkil? So how would you like it in Salman's Tube Light? Well, ho tab na. For Kabir said that chalo, it's a nice rumor for a change. Ha ha ha. Ek teer mein he has killed do nishan. Not only has he said that there are unwanted rumors, but also that he wouldn't mind SRK being in Tube Light. That much for SRK fans, but since Kabir said that this is a rumor, obviously SRK and Salu fans are a tad disappointed, for they sure would love to see their Karan Arjun back on screen again. Hai na? How many of you would love to see SRK on Salman's Tube Light? Maybe your votes could help. Nagin actress Moni Roy has surely come a long way since her Saas Bhi Kabhi Bahu Thi days. Moni is all set for her smashing entry into Bollywood as she has been roped in to do an item number in the upcoming film Tum Bin 2. If sources are believed, the beautiful actress will shake her leg and add some tumkas and balle balles to the famous Punjabi folk number Nachna Aunda Nahi. Moni Roy, who is currently busy playing double role in Nagin 2, is considered to be one of the best dancers of the small screen with exceptional dancing skills, and we heard that she will shoot this song this week. Now we guess Moni's fans have a reason to rejoice, and we know she will do complete justice to this musty-full dance number. Ace choreographer Remo D'Souza is to choreograph the song, and we can't wait to watch Moni set the stage on fire and temperatures soaring with her scorching moves. Priyanka Chopra, who is one hell of a multitasker and this multifaceted powerhouse of talent, who is busy shooting for the second season of her hit American series Quantico, has recently given us more reason to go gaga about her. The pretty actress has managed to sing a Marathi song in director Ashutosh Gowarkar's Marathi film Ventilator. After giving us international hits like In My City and Exotic, Priyanka has given us this emotional Marathi song titled Baba, and it's soul-wrenching beautiful. This song has released, and the Marathi lyrics along with Priyanka's husky voice and Marathi accent are bound to leave you teary-eyed. This song is a tribute to all the fathers out there, and we are sure Baba will soon become every daddy's little girl's favorite song. If we may say, Priyanka might have chosen this song to show the fondness and love that she had for her late father, and it's guaranteed to give you goosebumps. Salman rules the box office. His Prem Ratan Dhan bio is still ahead of the joint collection of Karan Johar's Ae Dil Hai Mushkil and Ajay Devgan's Shivai. Yes, no amount of controversy, publicity and buzz helped in promoting the two most awaited Diwali release. Well, one could argue that the reason for this year's Diwali flicks not doing well could be because of their Dhanteras release as compared to Prem Ratan Dhan bio's release the next day after Diwali. Yet, one cannot but admire Salman's charisma in a joint family as against the self-centered Gen X theme of Ae Dil Hai Mushkil and the slightly complicated setup of Shivai. All the same, it boils down to one thing, that only a Salman starrer could gross the 200 crore output, and nothing else, and this year's Diwali release is still climbing up the ladder towards this amount. What do you say about his Clash of the Titans? When it is a pre-Diwali release, it has to be something different, and Shivai proved that it could be a hit in spite of its pre-Diwali release. With a grossing of 5.80 crores on the first day, it has grossed 70.16 crores this Thursday. So, the weekly collection seemingly indicate that it could cross more than 100 crores. However, it is lesser than its rival film Ae Dil Hai Mushkil, which has grossed more than 80 crore rupees. Whoa! It surely looks like it is a battle of the titans. While Ye Dil Hai Mushkil has the hot quotient between Ranbir and Ash, Shivai has the 3-minute long kiss between Erika Carr and Ajay, which gathered a lot of interest. Added to this, it has the beautiful Saisha Sehgal and also Abigail, who has contributed greatly to the flick. Let us see where it is headed and how best the flick would turn out in returns. Henna?
Oh my god. Shah Rukh Khan's Raees is going to be postponed. Yes, if reports are believed, then the much awaited teaser of Raees is not coming. Instead, there was a song from Dear Zindagi that was released. So, what is the real reason behind Shah Rukh's Raees not coming up? Is it because of Mahira Khan, the Pakistani actress in it? Yes, Mahira was to make her Bollywood debut with this. However, with the never-ending controversy over Pakistani artists in India movies, as was seen in Ye Dil Hai Mushkil, we guess SRK is playing safe. What say? Or else, it could be because of Raees and Kabil are clashing by getting released on the same day. Henna? Well, for all that, we know the movie, the teaser, the trailer, all are getting postponed, and we now wonder why. As for SRK, there have been no comments officially. So we wait and watch what say. What do you feel about all this?
Rock On 2 is all set to release on November 11th. It is a sequence of 2008 movie Rock On and is directed by Sujat Saudagar. Rock On 2, which stars Farhan Akhtar, Arjun Rampal, Prachi Desai and new entrant in the sequel Shraddha Kapoor, have started the promotions for their film. And with the Kapil Sharma show being producer's first choice for movie promotions, we will be seeing the entire cast of Rock On 2 visit the sets and create a laughter riot on the Kapil Sharma show. The guests will be seen playing the characters from the show, while Arjun Rampal will be playing the role of Pampa, Farhan Akhtar will be seen as Dr. Mashur Gulati and Shraddha as Vidyavati teacher. The team will be seen having the time of their lives, and the episode will surely tickle your funny bones. From singing to showing off some dance moves, the team did it all. In fact, audience will get a chance to witness these actors in a quirky avatar.
पीछे पीछे ही चल रहा है देख देख रुकना चलो चलो साइड लो ना प्लीज हटो ना प्लीज
The very much awaited Befikre comes out with Ude Dil Befikre song, which is really a bammer. Out with a lot of spirit and fire, the combo of Ranveer Singh and Vani Kapoor is indeed something people sure love to dig. Yes, the jodi is hot and the chemistry is sizzling. The song has been written by Jaideep Sahni and sung by Benny Dayal and Sophie Chaudhary. With lilting music by Vishal Shekhar, the song is surely one that people would love humming. With this interesting blend of characters, the Ude Dil Befikre sure makes us wanna be Befikre. Befikre is the next flick from the Bajirao of Bollywood, who sure knows how versatile he is with his various roles. Ready to set the screen on fire with Padmavati soon, Ranveer is right now busy with Befikre, which is very popular thanks to the various pictures that have been coming from the set. Ranveer is a ball of energy, and with a title like Befikre, things sure look good for him. When it is SRK, sab kuch chalta hai. Ae Dil Hai Mushkil was a visual treat for SRK fans, with his cameo role proving to be a perfect Diwali surprise for all. Yes, not everyone knew that Shah Rukh was part of the Karan Johar flick, so when his scene came along, in one theatre there were firecracker sessions. But in one theatre it proved to be a dangerous situation as seen in the video. Yes, for all those who are wishing to see SRK just once more on big screen, Ae Dil Hai Mushkil was a perfect treat. And whoa, isn't that a real way to celebrate Diwali? So what if SRK's movie was not released? We had him with a cameo that was really a perfect treat for all. What do you feel about the whole thing? What do you feel about SRK being featured in Ae Dil Hai Mushkil and the cracker celebration?